Do you know how much you're suing for? Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. Come on in. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. In most instances, you're not going to know exactly how much you're suing for when you bring a lawsuit seeking compensation for your injuries as a result of somebody else's wrongdoing. Why not? For two reasons. One is that your attorney may not simply have told you. Two, the amount that you're actually suing for is meaningless. Now, here's what you need to know. In New York, in a personal injury case, your attorney is obligated to put a number in the papers that start your lawsuit to tell the people you have sued how much you are suing for. And it could be a huge amount of money, millions and millions of dollars. The reality is, it doesn't mean a single thing. Now, if you bring a medical malpractice case, I will tell you that by law, we are not permitted to put a number down in the papers that start your lawsuit. Why not? Because it is felt that a jury is ultimately the one to determine how much compensation you are supposed to receive. No matter how much we actually put down in the papers, let's say in a personal injury case, in an accident case, ultimately it is for the jury to resolve if the case goes to trial. If the parties and the attorneys are able to reach an agreement before then in the form of a settlement or mediation, that's great. But as far as how much you sue for, that's a totally variable thing that really has no bearing on the ultimate outcome of your case. So when you read the newspapers and hear on TV that somebody got injured and they are suing for $25 million, I want you to know right now, if that's going on in New York, it has virtually zero meaning. It wouldn't matter if they put 30 million, 35, 100 million. The number is meaningless. Ultimately, it's the jury that makes that determination. And that's it for today's video about the amount of money you're suing for in your lawsuit. Now, if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do, you know what I'm going to ask you, right? Press that button below that says like if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. Why? This way all of your friends are going to get the benefit of the same exact information simply by pressing the button like. And if you have legal questions, what I want you to do is to pick up that phone and call me. Why? Because I answer questions like these every single day. I can answer your questions too. So you can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.